Well, I should say that I worked with Mariano Gago for 15 years, okay? And he told me how important it was to build constituencies, to forward research, and how to engage scientists to do science policy, to inform policy. So in some way, this type of meetings is more or less his idea, because he wanted to link researchers with policymakers to be able to make decisions on things that were urgent. Now, cancer, of course, is a major societal challenge, that affect a lot of people, and of course, the cost of the healthcare systems. So it is important that in some way we bring together all the stakeholders to discuss what is going to happen, to be able to build in solutions that could be used to make sure that whatever we do in research is translated into innovations that actually reach the clinic. Yes. And they are for the good of the patients. But at the same time, as we grow, we need to engage them, empower them, and to hear from them what they need, so that we can include that in the way we progress as a mission. This is not a simple thing. It will take that, since the mission will cover all member states, so we want to get in every country, to every city, and for that we cannot do everything ourselves, so we have to engage people within the countries that connect themselves, diffuse the information, communicate, and that way then of course information that is generated is actually in some way sent to every single patient or citizen or patient to be in Europe.
And it is important to people to know that research of cancer or IA or big data is improving their lives, isn't it?
Of course.
Do people know that?
Well, the problem is the main problem we have is that scientists have not been very good to tell citizens what is the value of science. Now, in cancer, of course, we go from discovery to implementation of the discoveries into the clinic. And it's a very long process, which there are a lot of gaps there. Right? So we need now to really structure ourselves in a way that we could pass a clear message of what is the importance that we collaborate, that we get the member states together, that we connect the policies from countries together with the policies of the European Union, so that we can actually act as a Europe. Right? Which is something that is not easy today, because there are so many inequalities, and so we need to, and I think that's the role of the science community, to show that you can actually achieve that. But as I said here, this is a work in progress. You have to really go one step, and then of course go to the next one until you really achieve what you want to do.